at Premium Care Kids. We are super excited of helping today Sofia. Is 6 months and she was born with cleft lip and cleft palate. So today we're going to do her cleft lip repair, and in a few months when she is 1 year old, we're going to do the palate repair. Here we're done with the cleft lip repair. As you can see, we achieved a really nice symmetry of the cupid's bow. We did the repair of the muscle, her skin, and also we did the nasal floor. So then she is ready for the palate surgery. Great case.